glasses on. I'm gonna cross the street.
All right, so hold on now. Now this part is dangerous. Now we checked, we got 240 coming in. We're clear from the top. We have no idea what happened to this cable since it got landed at that panel.
Okay.
So we don't know if there are any shorts. Of course, you could check, right? But we're going to trust that these guys did it right. Push it in. So bang the top in a little bit.
Bang it.
Just a little bit. It's crooked. There you go. All right, now we're in. Yes, sir.
What, assembling? You want me to say something funny?
Something funny. You got to say something funny.
I told Harry, I hate school. I would rather do an electrical service naked on an aluminum ladder in the middle of a rainstorm than take a class. But I have to say the class was awesome and Harry is a really good teacher.
They don't think you're a water meter technician.
It stinks.
Water?